Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Cashapp problem which says unable to purchase Bitcoin at this point. So if you're facing this problem, whenever you try to buy Bitcoin in Cashapp, you are not able to. The first reason could be if you have not linked your mobile number on your Cashapp and you have not verified your Cashapp account. So we have made a video on how you guys can verify your Cashapp account, so you can watch that video to verify and add your mobile number on your Cashapp, because without doing these steps you cannot buy Bitcoin. And even after doing this step, if you're still facing the problem, then before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after you open Cashapp, you want to know if the internet connection is working smoothly. If your internet connection is slow as well, it's gonna show you this problem. So if it is not your internet connection, then make sure that the bank or the debit card which is linked with your Cashapp supports you buying Bitcoin, because all the banks does not allow you to buy Bitcoin. So if if the debit card or the bank account which is linked with your Cashapp doesn't allow you to buy Bitcoin, or doesn't let you include with cryptocurrency, then you need to change your debit card or your bank account on Cashapp. And we have also made a video on how you guys can change your card and your bank on Cashapp. You can watch that video. And if it is still not working after changing your card and your bank saying like it allows you to buy crypto, then just delete your Cashapp, reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes this, and the other reason could be that the servers or Cashapp is off. So if Cashapp server is off, then the only thing you can do is wait until they are on again. Alright, so these are the way through which you guys can fix your unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time problem. So don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Bye bye.